Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about how you can deal with others' anger in a way that will keep you from getting into trouble. So how can you help when someone else is angry? Remember, you're going to need your pencil and your notebook and your eyes, ears, and brain. Make sure that you're paying attention and thinking about how you can help. And sometimes the best thing to do is walk away, but we will talk about that. So what are some good ways to act when you have a disagreement with another person? You can try to stay calm. Remember your breathing, remember your name you're feeling, and calming down and counting. You can listen to the other person. That does not mean that you agree with everything that they say, but you can at least listen to what they have to say. You can tell your side if they're calm enough to listen. Again, sometimes the best thing to do is walk away. You can negotiate. That's where each person gets to say what they need, and you try to work something out where everybody gets what they need. You can problem solve. Follow your problem solving steps. Say the problem without blame. Think of solutions. Explore consequences. Pick the best solution. Why is it important to learn how to deal with other people's anger? If you listen to them, you may be able to help. It is important to try not to do anything to make them more angry. You can try to stay calm yourself and not allow them to make you angry. So we're going to try to keep everyone out of trouble and keep everybody calm. Take a minute, write about that in your notebook. You can copy the words off the screen, add in your own feelings in complete sentences. I will give you a few minutes to do that. And of course, you can pause the video if you need more time. Here's your skill steps to dealing with another person's anger. So you're going to want to write these down. You might as well do it as we go, and I'll pause for a few seconds for each one. But if you need more time, you can always pause the video. Number 1, listen to what they have to say. They may not even be angry at you. They may be angry at something else. So make sure you're listening to what they're saying. Number 2, don't interrupt. That will make them even more angry. Number 3, think about your choices and pick the best one. And here's some choices that you could pick from. Keep listening. Ask why the person is angry. Give the person an idea to fix the problem. Walk away for now. So write the skill steps if you haven't already done so. You can write these down. And I should have added in also, you can always go to an adult to get extra help if you need to keep you safe and keep the other person safe. So here we're going to have some role play. Remember, make sure you take both sides of the role. So first you play one part, then you play the other. And it's always a good idea to try out what you think might happen if you do not use the skill steps. So have the skill steps handy so you can refer to them. And we got a number of roles here. So we'll just go through all of them and then you can pause the video before you try to role play. Okay, first one. The teacher is angry because you didn't finish your work. Your parents are angry because you didn't clean your room. A student is mad at you because you didn't pick him for a game. An adult is mad at you because you are making rude noises during a concert. So pause the video, try out those role plays, and make sure you try both sides. Okay, some other things that you can do to practice. You could look at some pictures. Try to imagine why a person looks angry. Make some suggestions about how to fix the problem. There's some in the second step kits. There are some pictures of different people. You also in second step there's some videos about anger management, so you could watch those and discuss with the group. So hopefully you've learned something about dealing with other people when they get angry, and don't forget your calming down steps to name your feeling, breathe with your belly breathing, count, and make sure that you calm down. And as I said before, you can always ask for an adult's help to deal with another person who's angry. So hopefully you have learned something, and I hope you have a fantastic day. This is Mr. Rust from Elkhart Elementary Academy, signing off.